Good morning, children. In today's class of our E.V.S, we're going to start with the new block 14 Chirpy birds. We're going to learn names of common birds, features of common birds, different kinds of feathers, caring for birds. The first learning plan will be names of common birds. It's in the content book, page number 88. So these are the common birds: peacock, parrot, pigeon, duck, bulbul, and myna. So if you see here, all the birds are different in their features. So we'll be learning names of common birds. We see birds of different sizes and colors. If you see here, peacock is very big, bulbul is small. So they are different in size and also in colors. Birds have two legs, a beak. If you see, the beak is also different from each bird, and they have wings which will help them to fly. So, birds we see are of different sizes and different colors, and they have two legs and a beak and wings to fly. Most of the birds fly, but some birds, like ostrich, are very large and others are small. So some birds like ostrich are very large and some birds are small. Birds like owl stay awake at night. They don't sleep in the night. They stay awake. And some birds such as duck like to swim in the water. So this is our topic for the day, names of common birds. We are going to underline the keywords in the content book and write it in the notebook. Crow, pigeon, parrot, owl, sparrow, duck, and hen. These are the few common birds that we see in and around our place. So you will be doing question 1, content book, page number 92. Make a list of 5 birds that you see in your neighborhood. Okay, so you'll be doing the question 1 and content book, topic S1, bird watch. So you all complete the given work. I'll see you in the next class, children. The topic will be features of common birds. Okay, bye bye.